am going to explain about Term 1 textbook, Maths, chapter number 1, that is numbers up to 1000. What is our today topic? Numbers up to 1000. Shall we start, children? Yes. Maths, chapter 1, numbers up to 1000. Children, in last class, last year, you have studied up to 200. You know 1 to 200 numbers? Yes. Now I am going to start from 201 to 500. Okay? Numbers. Children, do you remember numbers? Yes. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Everybody know 1 to 200 numbers? Yes. Now 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Okay, children? Can you read with me? 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210. We can read this as 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220 or 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 300. Sorry, 229 to 30, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240. 240 of what it is? What will come? 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250. Children, I wrote up to 250. So in your home, you have to write up to 300. After the 300 to 400, you have a homework. Homework 251 to 300, 301 to 400, 401 to 500. This is homework for you. Okay, children? To 500, you have to write the numbers. Okay, if you have any doubts, you take your parents' help also. Okay, children? Now, now we are going to another topic in this chapter only, that is number names. What is that? Number names. Before that, I want to explain something to you. Okay, children, listen carefully. See, children, we have studied numbers from 1 to 200 in last class. Okay, how much you have learned? 1 to 200. Now let us look at some interesting facts about numbers. Okay, in numbers we have single digit. Single digit. Okay, single digit means numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here to here, we call it as single digit numbers. What we call it as? Single digit numbers. Okay. Only 0 to 9 are called as single digit numbers. We have one cube. This is 1. 2 ones. We have 3 cubes, 3 ones. We have 4 cubes, 4 ones. Like that only up to 9. We have 9 cubes, we call it as 9 ones. Okay. Single digit numbers are 0 to 9 only. Okay. I will repeat once again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 0 to 9 are called single digit numbers. Okay. So in this smallest single digit is 0. What is the smallest single digit number? 0. 0 is the smallest single digit number. Then greatest single digit number is this one, 9. 9 is the greatest single digit number. Okay, children? Smallest single digit number is 0 and greatest single digit number is 9. From 0 to 9 we call it as single digit numbers. In that 0 is the smallest digit and 9 is the greatest digit. Okay? We understand? Okay. Now second one is in this digit numbers. Single after what it will come, children? Anybody know? Okay, I will say single digit after 2 digit number. Okay. numbers also started from 0 to 9 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this we can take any two numbers. Okay? In this we can take any two numbers. Suppose example, which one we will take? 1, 2. We can write this as 12 or 20. Okay children? How can we write this 1 and 2? 1 to 12. 2, 1, 21. Okay? We can write this as 12 and 21. So these are two digit numbers. In this we have ones and we have tens. What are the two values we have in this two digit number? Two place values are there in these two digit numbers, that is ones and tens. Okay, in single digit we have only ones. What is there in single digit? We have only 9 or 7 or 8. So this is only ones and this is only ones. In single digit we have only one place value, that is ones. In two digit numbers we have two place values, that is ones and tens. Okay children? Now in these two digit numbers, which is the smallest and which is the greatest? Smallest two digit number is, anybody? 10. Okay. Smallest two digit number is 10 and greatest two digit number is 99. Okay. Smallest two digit number is 10 and greatest is 99. Here also see ones, tens. Here also ones, tens. Okay. We have two place values in this two digit number. Okay. We can take anything 1, 2 or 3, 4. Okay. So if we take 3, 4, what happens? It can be 34 or 43. Here also ones, here also tens. Ones, tens. Okay children? I will explain once again. Two digit numbers. Two digit numbers also started from 0 to 9. From this we can take any two numbers and we can form it as a number. Okay. In two digit numbers we have two place values. First one is ones, second one is tens. Okay. In that smallest one is 10, greatest one is 99. What is the greatest single digit number? 99. Okay. Now, three digit numbers. Three digit numbers means, in this three digit number we have three place values. How many? Three place values. In two digit numbers we have only two place values now. But here three digit number, see the name 3. That's why in this we have three place values. What are the three place values? Hundreds, tens, ones. We have these three place values in this three digit number. Okay. Here also we can take any three digits from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From this 0 to 9 numbers, we can take any three digits now. What is the name here? See, three digit numbers. So we can take anything. Which one we will take? We will take this 3. 3, 4, 5. can write this one 345 or 435 or 543. Okay, we can write like this 345, 435 or 545. Okay, so in this three, here also three digits 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? In every number we have three digits. Okay, children. Here, which is the smallest three digits number and the greatest three digit number? Can anybody say? Smallest one is 100 and greatest is 999. Okay, which is the smallest number in this three digit number? 100. 100 is the smallest number and 999 is the greatest number, is the biggest number. Okay, in three digits numbers. In three digits numbers, we have three place values. What are they? 100, tens, ones. See here. This is ones. And this is tens. And this one is hundreds. So do we have, see, three place values? 100 times ones. That's why here we are saying three place values in a three digit number. Okay, children? Do you understand these place values of digits? Single digit, two digit and three digits? Okay, I will explain once again. Single digit means only one place value. It is ones. Okay, in the smallest number is 0 and greatest number is 9. Okay, in two digit number we have two place values. First one is tens, second one place value is ones. Okay, and their smallest number is 10 and greatest number is 99. Okay, here three digit numbers we have three place values. They are hundreds, tens and ones. Okay, smallest one 100 and greatest one is 999. Okay, children? Now we will see place values. Okay, in digits we are saying place value, place value. What is a place value? Now I will explain. Okay. What is mean by place value? Place value means the value of where a digit is in the number. Okay, children? What is the place value? The value of where a digit is in the number. If we take a number, for example, 345. What is the place value of 5? Yes, very good. Place value of 5 is ones. And what is the place value of 4? Tens. And what is the place value of 300? GNDRED, 100. Okay? Place value means the value where we are. What is the value? Whether it is ones or tens or hundreds. Value of a digit. What digit means? It is a number. What is digit 4? What is the value of digit 4? Tens. What is the value of digit 3? Hundreds. Okay? This is called place value, where we are keeping the value of a digit. We have to find out. It is called a place value. The value of a digit in the number. This is the number. 345 is the number. In that number, what is the digit 4? What is the place value of digit 4? It is tens. Okay, children? Do you understand? I will give some examples here. Now you have to say. Okay, now? 345. Place value of 4. 226. A, B, C. Okay, children? This is the exercise now we are going to do. Okay. See, what is the first number? 345. In this, what is the place value of 4? What is the place value of 4? Ones, tens. Always we have to start from here. Okay, left side. First one is ones and second one is tens. So 4 is in tens place. Now what is the place value of 2? What is the number? First read the number. 226. Okay, what is the place value here? 2 2s are there. Okay, I am asking about the first 2. Okay, children, don't get confused. What is the first number? 2. It is in 100 place. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds. You can read like this also. And what is the place value of 5? Is in first one is ones. Okay. You can write ones. Now 622. What is the number here? The number 622. And which number we are asking the place value? Number 6. Ones, tens, hundreds. See, even. 468. What is the number here? 468. What is the place value of 8? First one is ones. Okay. And last one. What is the number here? 200. 200. Okay, children. 200. We can read it as 200. What is the place value of 0? Ones, tens. Okay. Like this, you have to write the place values of given numbers or underlined numbers. Okay, children? Do you understand place values? Okay. Now, abacus. Numbers on now numbers on abacus. Okay, children? What is meant by abacus? Do you know? It is a slate with beads. Okay? This is a abacus. Okay, now how many beads are there? See here. Here in one's place, how many beads are there? 1, 2. Beads means these round ones. Okay, these round circles. These are called beads. How many beads are there in first line? 1, 2. Here count here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3. Okay, total how much? 342. Okay, in ones place we wrote 2. In tens place we have 4 beads. In 100 place we have 3 beads. Okay, children? Now we write one more. Here how many beads are there? What is the number here? First we will write the place. See, in ones place, how many bits are there? Only one bit. In here, tens place, we have two bits. Okay. And in hundred place, simple children, you have to count this and you have to write in the box, in the square box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the number? 521. In ones place, we have one number. In tens place, we have 2. In hundred place, we have 5. Okay? See here. Shall we count? 1, 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. What is the number? 222. If suppose children here nothing is there, no bits are there, what you have to do? Okay, I will say. Here how many bits are there? 2 bits. Here any bit is there? No. So we have to keep, if nothing is there, we have to keep simply 0. Okay. And here how many? 2. Suppose here also. See here, in ones place, any bits are there? No. So we have to write 0. In ones place, we have 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens place, 4 is there. In hundred place, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 340. You understand numbers on abacus? They will give this picture. We have to count the bits and we have to write here in the square box. Okay. This is the numbers on abacus. Now, expanded form. And number groups. Children, what is mean by expanded form? You know what is mean by expand? We have to expand the number. Okay, expanded form means we write the number. We write the number showing the value of each digit by expanding. Example, see 345 is there. So, how we will expand this? 300. We are pronouncing 345. 300. Hundreds place. 45. 40. 40 and 5. This is, in this way we have to expand this number for 345. This is in 300 is in hundreds place, 4 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. Okay. What is expanded form? We write the number showing the value of each digit, exact value of each digit by expanding. Okay, example say 345. How we are pronouncing it? 300. So we have to write first 300 plus 45. 40. So 40 we have to write. Again we have to keep plus 5. We have to write 5. Okay. 5 is in ones place. 40 is in tens place and 3 is in hundred place. Okay. Some more examples I will give now. Okay, children. Examples. 45, 486, and 208. Okay. So how we will write this one? 200. 245 we are saying, we are pronouncing. Okay. So 200. 200 plus 45. 40 plus 5. Okay. This is hundreds and this is tens and this is ones. Okay. See here 486. 400 plus 80 plus 6. Okay. 200. 200 is there. Suppose. Example. 200. How we will write? We pronounce it as 200 plus. Anything is there in tens place? No. So we have to keep 0. In ones place? No. No number is there. So again we have to keep 0. Okay. So here one more example. 206 is there. How we will write this? 206. 200 plus tens place 0. Ones place 6. Okay. One more. 280. How we will write this 280? 280 plus 0. So in hundreds place we have 2. In tens place we have 8. And in ones place we have 0. So in ones place I keep 0. Tens place 8. And hundred place 200. So we pronounce it as 280. Okay, children. Some more examples I will give you. First one. Now other topic is member names. For member we have to write the name. 286. Okay. 2. What is the spelling of 2? TW of 2. 100. HUNDRED 100. 80 EIGHTY 86. 286. 286. Okay. If they will give in number, you have to write the name. Okay. 400. FOUR 4. HUNDRED 400. So see, this is the number and it is the name. So it's called as member name. Okay. Next 235. 235. TW2 HUNDRED 100. 200 and 30 HIR 30 FYV 235. Okay, children, this is the today's topic. I hope you all understand. Number names, numbers of abacus, numbers and place values. Okay, children. So thank you. Do your homework. 251 to 500. Okay, children. Thank you.